laughing?
Relax it now. Put that blanket under there. Hey, big boy.
Is that really what you want?
He's bouncing.
Is he doing that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Tucker. He keeps spinning in there, though. I can't get him to look in here.
Tucker, Tucker, Tucker. Yay!
Hi, big boy.
Hi.
You playing on your jumper? Are you jumping?
Jump, jump, jump. Uh-oh. He saw that bottle in my hand.
Are you getting the workout? Tucker. If I go in there, he spins in here. What's he doing? What's he doing? You jumping? Say dada. 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 He's fake coughing. Dada. Dada. Tucker. You say dada. You say dada. 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 Now he's spinning the other way again. Dada. Dada. Hi. You say dada. Tuck. Dada. 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 Is that fun? You gotta quit Pee Wee Herman laughing. You're choking yourself. Dada! Dada! He's staring at the fan. Hi, big boy. Hi, Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Hi. You say dada. Can you say dada? Can you say dada? Can you say dada? Dada. 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 Tucker. Dada. I say you. You like that fan spinning? Oh, big boy, you jumping. Are you a good jumper? Are you a good jumper? Peekaboo! Oh, serious jumping. Serious jumping. You want to get your arms out? Come here and do something for me. See if he likes this better.
Come do something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get his arms inside that thing.
Put him inside?
So he's not all spread out like that. See if...
He doesn't like that?
Well, I mean, he's fine, but he might like it better when his arms are...
Hey.
where he can control them and move them around.
I don't know that he would like that.
Is it too tight?
Yeah.
I meant hanging through the loops in the front.
I don't.
Like that.
Yes?
Yeah. He may not like that either, but But he looks like he can put his hands in his mouth if he wants to. Big boy. Hi. You say dada? Dada.